Hello, my name is Rattanak. I'm from batch 4, majoring in software engineering from KIT. I'm currently working in Japan for a Japanese company. It's one of the leading human resource development company in Japan. I worked as a software engineer who lead projects and responsible for developing the project. So I got to go to Japan through KIT interview process and managed to get into contact with one of KIT partner company. When I first got to Japan, it has been quite a shock because due to the cultural differences and how they operate over there. So there are a lot of struggle, but as time goes on, through the support of the company that I was hired from, and other support from KIT community in Japan, I was able to become more familiar with the cultures and live my life in a way that I actually wanted. So when I was in KIT, I managed to be involved in a lot of internship process since I was in year 1, the first year. And throughout my time in KIT, I work on a lot of projects, communicate with other departments or other Japanese people as well as other students. And it helped me build my ability to lead and manage projects. And that's one of the main reasons why I got hired and go to Japan. So for those who want to be a part of KIT, focus on building yourself up, build marketable skill, but don't forget to have fun. That's keep you motivated.